Okay, problem number 7 is asking what is the positive solution for this equation? Okay, first of all, solution means what? There's different ways of talking about solutions. Those are your x-intercepts. We also call them the zeros, and we also call them the roots. Okay, and another acronym that we use for that is called ROCS, which is the roots, the zeros, the x-intercepts, the solutions. Okay, so how that looks like on a graph is these things, right? So that's what we're looking for. But it's asking for the positive one. So it needs to be on the positive side of the x-axis. Okay, so we're going to type this equation in Desmos. We don't need the 0 equals, we just need this part of the equation. Okay, so let's go ahead and type it in Desmos. 1/3 x squared minus 3. This is what it looks like. And remember, I told you that we need the positive one. So these are my solutions. I need the positive one. Okay, so what is the positive solution? And then just type the answer here. So just the number. So my positive answer is 3. So I would just type the number 3. You do not have to put x equals or anything else. Okay?